fix this real quick. All right, so let's see what we got, man. Look at that. Did we just swipe into that? Hey, I wasn't looking. That was my entry. I missed it. All right, let me see. Let me order. All right, let's see what we're finna do. We got a swing high, swing low. Swing low in there. So I know it's. It's swing low. Dang, that was my entry right there. I missed it. Let's see. See if it come back. If it come back, we getting in. I think I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, if it come back, we getting in there. We gonna see how we gonna run this up. It look like we still may have a sell off. Come down to this here weekly the weekly open gap. Dang, I missed that entry, man. I wasn't even paying attention. This is my 10 o'clock candle. So this here give me, I already see what's happening. Got a big displacement candle. Bull stepped in. Boom. That was my entry. We're going to see what happens. So I missed my entry right here, right? On this 10:05 candle because I was trying to set stuff up. But I moved my entry to the bottom of the box and we're going to see what happens. We still below my EMAs. We got a cross right here, which is good. So as you got to see, we're going to tap me in. I think I'm going to go with 2 contracts. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with 2. My profit target is here. So we're going to see. Oh, we may be able to pop back a little bit higher. Oh, no, let me see. Let me just leave it right there. What is it? That's how you be messing up stuff. No reason. Mess stuff up. All right, watching ES at the same time. See, we running in unison. All right, we just got tapped in on this trade. So we live in the trade. I got 2 contracts, got my stop loss here at the previous swing high. So let's see what we do. And I see that we just swept what's this? Asia. Swept Asia. We're gonna see what we do. Why I don't got, let me see, what is 8 o'clock candle here? 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Let me get a box. 8 o'clock candle is I like to always drop my first 15-minute candle on ES. That'd be right there. Like that. Boom. I want to see if we break above or break below. It's probably what I should have waited on, but that's all right. I get displacement candle. So tell me, got some heavy sellers. Let me pull my CVD indicator. CVD. See what we're looking like. Dang, not on that. I need it over here. Let me see if I can put it over there. CVD. All right, cool. We got it. Here. Boom. All right, so my CVD indicator, we got buyers stepping in, but sellers pushed it down pretty good, created a nice low. And I like to also draw my horizontal raise over here. This tells me this is my swing low. If we push below that, we're doing good. We're doing good. Y'all, as you can see, man, look, y'all, this is my first entry. Let me make this smaller. This here, yeah, I would have got entered in on this candle if I was paying attention, but I was trying to set stuff up because the microphone wasn't working. But I was able to get in on this candle for a sale. The reason why I got in on the sale because we got when the market opened, we pushed down heavy, pushed up, created a swing high, then pushed down again, creating a swing low. So what I'm looking for, hoping that we don't push past here. We push past here, then our trade is invalid. So we're just letting it play out. And buyers don't have a lot of pressure just yet in the market. And I need to put artifact horizontal array right here above this swing high on the CVD chart. Dang, why my junk ain't working? Hold on. Horizontal array right here. Okay, there we go. So I got my swing high and swing low mark on my CVD also. So let's see what we do. See what we do. Getting rejection off this SMA. See what we do, baby. And I got my target at the top of the weekly open gap that I marked out. That big gap from Sunday night. So I got it right at the top of that. We hit that, I'm good, and I'm done for the day if we hit that. So let's see how we play out. So what I'm looking for on my CVD chart is for us not to pass this swing high. I'm definitely looking for it not to pass swing high up here. So let's see. We're getting rejection off my EMA. I'm at my SMA, which is good. I need to close below it and push down. You got a high here, lower high, higher high, lower high. Look like we create equal highs here, which is okay. Look like we may create equal highs here on ES, which is okay. So I'm just trying to point out everything that I see as the market flow. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we do. See what we can do today. It's crazy, man. My setup showed as soon as my time started, 10 a.m. This is 10 o'clock. No, this is 10 o'clock candle. Created an FEG, big displacement candle. Created FEG. And I was supposed to get on this candle, which is cool. So I moved my entry down to the bottom just in case this candle retraced, which it did. And I could actually kept my entry right at midpoint, but you never really know where the market is going. So right now we're just waiting. We're just waiting to see if we're gonna break this low or break this high. Which I definitely could have waited to see if we broke this. That's what I posted it. Waited till we broke this low, then get my entry. But yeah, I jumped in real early. Right at 10, I seen that FEG. I'm like, take it. Cause yesterday I missed it, man. What time it was? 10:15. I wasn't paying attention. I missed the break. Well, I still would never been able to get in that trade anyway. And this was a 9:55, so I wouldn't have. Yeah, I would have been able to get in this trade right here, right on this candle, if I was paying attention yesterday. Or yeah. So let's see what happened. We got what, $500 stop loss here. Let me double check, see what it was. I think it was like 500 or something. So in there, this is a $563 stop loss. Which me personally, I may cut it short. Cause if we shoot past these equal highs, I probably cut it short. Yeah, I probably cut it short if we pass some swing highs, which we didn't, which is cool. For me to cut it short, we gotta close above this here high right here. Which we got good rejection on MES, good rejection on my CVD, good rejection on MNQ. We ain't turned red here yet, but we still below this swing swing high. So we just gotta wait now. We just waiting. We got a profit target, I think, of like 1,200. Is it 12? Yeah, it's like 1,200. Dang, let me see. I'll be forgetting. Yeah, I need to set my own. Dang, what did I just do? So limit order. All right, profit target is right at like 1220. So let me set my short position. We got in on this candle. Boom, short position. Dun. And my stop loss is here. They give me a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. We got 140 point stop loss up top and a 305 point take profit at the bottom. So what we're looking for. And I'm also looking to see if we're gonna close above this level right here. If we do, I may cut it short. If we do, y'all, I may cut it short. If we close above that. Got a red candle print on the CVD, so I'm watching that closely. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so I'm watching this candle. If we close, we got what? Oh, this is a new candle. We got 4 minutes. If we close above this line, and I may cut this trade short. Let's see what we do. Right now we're getting good rejection. I'm moving on the 5-minute time frame. That's usually the time frame I operate on, the 5-minute. Just a waiting game now. Wait to see what happens. Wait to see what happens. I definitely need that push to the downside. Definitely need that push. We're trading relative equal highs over here on MES. You got high here, here, all these like relatively equal. We got lower highs here. Well, besides these two. Oh, we in that push. I'm trying to think if my stop loss should have been up here, but I'm not gonna move it. I'm gonna leave it right there where it's at. And I may cut this trade at like 400 if we go that far. Yeah, we like right at 400 mark. But MES is not even pushing higher. We still ain't break this high here. We should maybe going for liquidity, man. Make sweep Asia high and tank back down, which means my stop loss would have been up here. I don't know if I want to. Yeah, I don't know if I want to risk that much. I think it's my proper placement of my stop loss right up here, because that would have given me a sweep. But they may, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it. Leave it right there where it's at. See how it play out. Dun, dun, dun. Getting the push up. ES getting ready to make relative highs. Everybody hit my stop here, which I'm still thinking my jump supposed to been up here. I'd rather get stopped out and re-enter. Cause I move it up here, I'd probably be risking like $600. Then and we blow past that, then I lose 600 versus I could just lose 5. So I'm just leave it right there where it's at. It knocked me out. I wait for another entry. For no entry, boom. Move on to the next day. Yeah, look like it's gonna take us out. Move this over. What we got on the time? 41 seconds. Dun, 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 dun. It's close to knocking me out. Yeah, we just broke the high here. Yep. Yeah, I should have waited till we broke here or broke to the low. Wow, eager jump in that trade. How eager. Let's see what we do, man. It can go back down, but I don't know. We're real close to being taken out. All right, we out. So we just got stopped out of that trade. So we just wait. We can get this out the way. So I don't need that no more. We see we break this high. Look at that. Hit my stop and now we're going down. All right, let's see what we finna do. Let's see how we just took a loss on that trade. We took a dang, how much did we lose? Count summary. $567.80 on that trade. Just took that loss. So now what I'm waiting for is to see if we break this swing high or we break this low, which is what I was supposed to do before I jumped in that trade. I seen that big count like, oh, I can't miss it this time. See, patience, y'all. I'm telling you, patience. Patience to get you. That's why you gotta follow them rules. Our rules see if we break swing high, swing low, and I ain't even wait. I saw that we could retrace. I'm like, oh shoot, that's me right there. Jump in. Just got clapped. All right, I'm watching. Let's see what we do. Time is almost 10:30. Still didn't break that high, so oh no. And let me zoom out a little bit. Still ain't break the high here either. So it tells me Bear still got some power. So we pushed up, came straight down. This could be a categorized as a bear flag. And we can push up, tap this FVG, then come back down. Let's see. So many ways the market can move right now. That's why you just gotta wait. So if I do get another entry, I'm going with one contract. Going with one contract and see what we can do with one contract. Mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, we just close that gap that we had here. Hey y'all, I had that what you call it stop loss a little bit higher. I was still within this trade, but I think I put it in a pretty good spot. It just tapped me out because we could have easily pushed higher than that. Then I could have lost way more money. Yes, pushing up. We're above the 815 breakout. We're not making highs here. Let me make use, but we're making highs on MES. I think that's a SMT. SMT. Because they're not correlating right now. And we got a big red candle here. So even the volume and price has an imbalance. Got high here, low, high here, low. So the ZVDs are correlating, but the price action isn't. Let's see what we do. All right, we're coming back down. EMA's got a cross here. See what we can get, y'all. See what we can do. We are close. I think we got like $400 left in this account before this count is blown. They got like 400, a little over 400 left. I think. Close it out. Let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, dang, we putting down too, boy. If we could, thinking we create the FEG how I need it. Nah. We gotta wait. We gotta break this low. We gotta break this low before I can enter in another trade. Gotta play it smart. No need to rush it. Break this low. We retrace. Enter in a trade. We continue selling. Cause we can easily create an FEG right here, right? On this candle, print another one. Stop short of here and push all the way back up. But there's no FEG here, and we create equal highs. So we gotta see what we're gonna do. We got that sell on my CVD. We never broke the high on the CVD. So let's just see what happens. Got what, 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on this candle to finish. I get rid of this yellow piece right here. And it came right to my spot and knocked me out and came my way. Dang. And my entry was right here, so I would have still been in the negative, but not much. So what I'm looking for is for the market to come down, break that low, retest, and continue pushing down. And I'm gonna get in on a retest. See what we can do. That's what we're gonna do. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, that's what it looks like finna happen. Looks like we gonna come down and break that low. So we made relative equal highs. Tapped it twice. Let me see. What we tap right here? Yeah. Tapped it here. Tapped it here. I need a strong push down. Dun dun dun. Break this low. Come back up. Hit me in. And watch. Y'all watch. Watch my entry be in the same place, like in the same box. Watch my entry be in the same box. My entry gonna be in the same box. Watch. And I jumped the gun and entered in before we even broke this right here. That's what I did last week. I jumped the gun last week and got and lost the trade. And why y'all follow the rules, man? Supposed to break. It's simple. Get in the market. Wait till we break the swing high or swing low. Then wait for your entry. I forgot about all that. I was like, dang, took a aim at the money all week. Let me see if I can just jump in right quick. That's what get you. Trying to jump in right quick. Jump in right quick, get your head knocked off right quick. Now I'm not in a trade yet right now, but I was in this trade, right? So what I did, yeah, let me tell you what I was supposed to do. The market, I don't get in the trade until 10 o'clock. So which is this candle right here. Right. When I got on the charts, I see we created an FEG. I marked my swing low and my swing high. What I was supposed to do was wait to see if we break this swing low, wait to see if we break the swing high. I didn't wait. I saw the FEG. I'm like, dang, let me just go ahead and jump in now. I missed it on this candle, but I got in on this candle for the sale. So that's the rule that I violated. And so what I should have done was, like I said, wait till we break this high, wait till we break this low. So right now I shouldn't have been in no trade because we just chopping back and forth. We chopping back and forth. I should have waited till we broke the high or broke the low, wait for the retracement, get in on the FEG, and we out. So now I'm finna do what I was supposed to do. Wait till we break the high or the low, then enter in a trade. And I'll probably do one contract instead of two. But I was definitely confident in that trade. Cause I seen this big old displacement candle. I'm like, oh yeah, we finna go down. And not even looking at we swept the Asia low on this candle. But yeah, we gonna get it right. We gonna see what happens because we could be going. Oh, we already done broke back through here. Yeah, we could definitely be going down because I think we got a big gap over here too. Let me get all this stuff out the way. On here. Oh dang, wrong button. Hey, hold on, I just need to delete. Oh, I got a lot of dots right there. Dude, what is over here? It's not letting me delete. Oh shoot. Oh, gotta change the thing, the cursor. Get all this out the way. Mark that gap on MES. It's here to here. Dang it. All right, cool. Got it. This is the weekly open gap. Let's see what we do, man. See what we do. You got to scalp to the sell side or to the buy? To the buy side. Yeah, this is definitely what patience coming in at. Because I definitely want to be like, man, I'm just into this buy right here. Click that buy and we shoot down and I lose again. Can't do that, man. And on my CVD, man, we selling off on my CVD. So, and we already in the gap on my CVD. Yeah, we in the gap on my CVD here too. We already in the gap. We're gonna see what happens because we get push up, get some more liquidity, or just push all the way up, keep going, and leave that gap there for like next month, next week or something. Come on, baby. I see. I'm waiting for us to break either this swing low or this swing high. That's gonna let me know what I need to do. Dang, if I would just had my stop loss a little bit higher, y'all, I would have made all. I would have been almost back into the positive with this trade. And I thought about putting it right here because I felt like it was in the wrong spot. Yeah, I feel like it should have been above this swing high, not this one. Yep, I'd have been in the positive right now. And watch this here candle is gonna create the FEG I need. Watch, we're gonna print this candle. It's gonna come down. We're gonna print another candle. Break this, close below, retrace. Probably touch the previous day low. Retrace back to this candle and finish the sell off. Watch. We already getting it on MES. So depend on which one show first. I may enter the trade on MES or I may enter the trade on MEQ. MES, I probably go 5 contracts on MES because the money's a little different on MES. It pays less than my entry probably be like right there. Exit be right there. So I probably do a little bit less than that. I do like 4. Yeah, probably like four contracts. Come down to this box. Probably go a little bit deeper in that box too. Yeah. But we're gonna see. Let's see. Let's wait for it to play out because we already jumped the gun once today. Got our head knocked off. We just put it back on. And let's see, because we just swept right now. We just did a nice little sweep. We just made a higher low. She made a higher low on the CVD, but we made a lower low on the CVD for MES. And we almost closed the gap over here, man. It's a lot of volume being pushed in there. 2 minutes left on this candle. We at 10:42 a.m. All right, we just created a higher low on MNQ. We created a higher low right here. We swung that, we pushed down, swept this area, created a higher low, and it looked like we're gonna push back up. We may break this here, swing high. We break that swing high. I'll be looking for buys. Mm, 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 mm. Got a small FEG right here. Yeah, see, we made a lower low here, but we made a higher low here. That I believe that's the definition of SMT. Cause we're not doing the same thing here. See, from here to here, we did the same thing on both charts. Push up. It's where we started to change out. Push up here, cause here we made a high. Here we didn't. Made a low. That's where the change started. Patience, patience, patience. Oh, I'm waiting. I definitely want to get in the trade right now. But I can't revenge trade. We can't do that. Discipline. It's easy. Discipline is the key, man. Just chill. Wait for your setup to show. Don't just enter mid-air in the middle of nowhere. And we go from there. Oh, builder is just the beginning. Well, they got some more sales happening on the prop firms. Now I see what I'm down so far on my funded. Wait, why y'all ain't copy? What's going on? Oh, okay, it did. Oh, it didn't copy. What? Wait, why didn't it copy? Y'all, my account didn't even copy. What? Which is good. This is good. I'm trying to figure out what happened. Why didn't it copy? Everything is selected. Why didn't it copy? Why didn't it not copy? Why didn't it copy? All right, hold on. Let me cancel all orders just in case it's a glitch in the system or something. Flatten all. Do that. Hey, I wonder why it didn't copy. Huh. Yeah, I don't know why it didn't copy, man. Oh, why? Make sure I got the right account. 5,300. Yeah, I'm trading on 5,300. It didn't copy. I'm happy it didn't copy. Save me some accounts, save me some losses, but it's not making sense why it didn't copy. Y'all, we got a big push. Look, see, this is what I was supposed to wait on the first time. The big displacement candle pushed me under my swing low. Enter in on this gap, which I just said this was gonna happen before it happened. I say, watch, we gonna push down. Well, I said it was gonna be on this candle, but we on this candle. Same thing. We gonna push down, have a displacement candle. We gonna close below my swing low, print another candle, then push back up into the gap. And I thought we was gonna probably enter in here, which we may not, because we this here rejected right here. But we gonna see, man. I think the big sale is coming. I wonder if I need to switch my accounts because it didn't copy. I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong with it. Trade Sinker is tripping. Trade Sinker is tripping. Let me go Trade Sinker. Maybe it's the computer or something. Let me go on my phone. Trade Sinker. Oh, it's loading. Hold on. Failed to load broker system. What we're doing? Come on, chart. What we doing, chart? Yo, I'm happy that we didn't copy because that was $567. on 10 accounts. But let me see, man. Maybe it's just a glitch on the computer. No, I'm logged in on my phone to see if stuff was maybe messed up just on the computer. We didn't copy on my phone on when we log on the phone either. Dang, I'm happy about that. But maybe let me. Dang, why we didn't copy though? Let me change my leader account. Something ain't right. Wonder why we didn't copy, man. Does that make sense? Tracy gonna supposed to be glitching like that. I think I'm gonna change my leader account. And you know what? I'm gonna disable all and enable all again. Cause maybe I don't know, something ain't right. Oh, y'all, we just swept. Look at we came down swept. Dang. Yeah, we going back to the upside. Dang, we came down and swept. What we doing here? Swept here. Middle low. Cool. We still ain't break this yet. Dang, okay, enable all. Let me change my leader account to 1415. 1415. 415. All right, change the leader. Maybe just something wrong with that account. I don't know. 1415. Let me change it on here. Watch y'all look how many accounts I got. 1415, 1415 right here. Boom. All right, this account we on now. Hopefully this will work. I kind of want to do like a little test to see a little quick in and out. That's all right. Let me just do what I do, man. If it copies, it copies. If it don't, oh well. Yeah, man. Look, Rachel, we can't chase. We gotta lock in. We gotta stick to the rules. Okay? We gotta stick to the rules, right? We can't be. I jumped the gun. My bad. I accept accountability. Now we're waiting for that break. And as you can see, we didn't get that close that I wanted. So I know we can't enter no sales right now. We still gotta wait for the break to the top to the upside or break to the swing of the break of in close of the swing low. Until then, the market just gonna chop, 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 chop. And you jump in there, your legs ain't gonna be there by morning. But I am excited that my account did not copy trade because there would have been 5 accounts with like $400 left before I blow them, and I would have had a negative like $560 on all my Lucid accounts. You can't. Hey y'all, look, I'm in a competition with some of my folks from Clubhouse, right? We doing a prop firm competition, and so far, I know some folks in the competition been getting clapped. I haven't got clapped yet because I've been patient, and I would have lost some money today, but somehow my accounts didn't copy, and y'all saw they was all selected to copy. I don't know what's wrong with tracing of the day, but um, yeah, I'm probably I'm probably in the lead because I haven't placed a trade yet. Not because I'm purposely not placing trades. It's because my setup, as you can see, has not showed itself. So there's no point in me just jumping in the market. Um, yeah, we gonna see. Yeah, yeah. Rachel's talking about she locked in. She ain't locked in. Not yet. She ain't locked in. I'm locked in. Yeah, I slept this morning probably because I should have drunk some water. If I drunk some water, I probably never did that. But it's okay. We only lost $500. It, my trade sinker only took one trade on one account versus all 10 of my accounts. So I'm really excited about that. Oh shoot. Cause if I blow that one, that's just one account blow. And I got 9 more left. Rick, what you talking about? She like that. We gonna see now. We gonna see. But like all in all though, everybody in the competition, man, hope we all get up there. We all don't blow our accounts, and we all get them payouts because the money there for all of us to eat. You feel me? Hope all of us get up there for real. Like it's one of them healthy competitions, man. Everybody try to help the other, and we all get to the top. Some people ain't gonna listen because they think they know more than another person and all that stuff. But you know what I'm saying? As long as we try to help one another and we try, everybody try to get to the top, and we all get them 2K payouts. So however much payouts everybody want to get, I'm aiming for the 2K payout for all my Lucid accounts. I don't want to take no $500, no $1,000. I want to take the 2K, cost 5 accounts, that is 10 grand, and that can happen before the month is over. We can make 20 grand this month. 10 grand for my FFF accounts, 10 grand for my Lucid accounts, 20,000. All of it. Well, I ain't gonna say all of it. I'm gonna take a good portion of it, put it in my live account, and trade my live account as I'm trading the prop firms, and the rest of it gonna go towards bills. Because by the end of the year, I'm trying to get debt free, completely debt free by the end of the year. That's business debt. If those that don't know, I own a trucking company. You got a lot of business debt like loans and credit cards, stuff like that. Matter of fact, my credit cards are actually almost paid off for the business, not for the person, but the business, right? So I want to get all that debt cleared off because by next year, April, I want to be able to close the company down and be a full-time trader. I want to wake up, look at charts with my folks, y'all. We make some money, and we out. We go to the gym, the gun range, take the kids somewhere. For the rest of the day, we chilling. And we only working what, a max of 4 hours a day, 2 hours from 10 to 12, 2 hours from 1 to 3. And that's if we decide to work from 1 to 3. That's how much freedom trading give you. Yeah, man, I ain't drinking no water, man. I woke up, got straight in the shower, came over here by like 10:02, turned the screen on. Oh, FVG. Got in, clapped. Clapped because I didn't wait. I didn't wait for the break. I supposed to wait for this break. I didn't wait. So I following your rules important, man. I didn't wait. As you see, the results of not waiting, I got hit. Now, yes, the results could have been we came here and kept pushing down. But even though if I would have won the trade, it would have still been a bad trade because we didn't follow the rules. Every trade need to be according to your rules, 100%. Everything need to be checked off on the list. We broke, we retested, LVG, boom, we in, we out. We going sideways now, y'all. And we still did not, dang it, hold on, let me get this right. We still did not break this low. This here low. But we making lows over here on my CVD for NDS. What time is it? 11 o'clock? Yeah, so I don't know, y'all. We're gonna see what happens. Bye, y'all. Matter of fact, I got some water over there. Let me get some water. My throat a little dry. Forgot I had some water over there too. I just ain't drank it. What was I saying? I forgot. I don't know. I forgot what I was saying, but I am excited. I'm too excited that my thing did not copy trade. Too excited. Only lost $500 today versus 5,000. We gotta tighten up, man. We gotta tighten up. Come on, Chief. We gotta tighten up. Let's see, man. Let's see. We're going sideways right now, y'all. As you can see, candles ain't making no highs, no lows. That means we are accumulating. This is accumulation right now. To me, accumulation means you got buyers and sellers playing like tug of war, trying to see who's gonna win, just pull it to somebody break. Or you can see it as buyers and sellers getting absorbed at the same time because you got so many orders being put in at this level that buyers getting absorbed, sellers getting absorbed, back and forth, back and forth. Then it's gonna come to a point to where either sellers got more contracts in the market or buyers got more contracts in the market. If buyers got more contracts in the market, we're gonna push up from this consolidation. If sellers got more contracts in the market, we're gonna push down from this consolidation and create another low, or like I say, push up another high. Y'all, I'm telling you, reading the chart is easy. Mastering this is the hard part. The market clearly told me do not enter a sell trade yet. But my brain was like, oh, look, click. The chart was like, oh, you want to click? Bow. Wipe my behind, man. You get hit enough, you gonna learn. That's like when your mama give you a whooping for the same thing over and over, you stop doing that same thing because you get tired of getting whoopings. Life is much better and easier and peaceful without whoopings. Yeah. Y'all, we still pushing that. Oh, never mind. That body stepping in. CVD is still looking a little iffy. Even though we got low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We don't have no lower lows yet. I mean, yeah. We don't have no lower lows yet. Yeah. Hey, you gonna learn today. Oh, you want to jump the gun? Just like you did last week? You finna get a whooping. Foul! Look, I got whacked. See that? Pushed up, lost $500. Got whacked. Jumped the gun last week and got whacked. Jumped the gun the same time this week, got whacked. I'm gonna learn though. I'm gonna learn. Hopefully I learn today. Damn, my phone always dying. But yeah, hey, this is like I'm really liking the whole live stream thing. Yeah, we can start. We get that 20 grand. I may not even work the whole next month. May not even work the whole next month. Well, I probably do because trucking money is good money. So I probably get it. Do my little thing with trucking, pocket. Whatever, right? But I really like this whole live trading thing, and hopefully some of my folk from Clubhouse, we get on live together, and we can all be on this thing charting, calling out what we doing, how we doing it, and just build a big community, man. Build a big community. Everybody respecting the other person's mind. Everybody, because y'all in club in the Clubhouse group, we got different kind of traders. Like Rachel, she's a scalper. I don't scalp. I'm more of a trend trader. I like to catch the trend, right? But she make money. She make good money scalping. I make good money doing my trend. You got other people that trade off the 15-second, the 1 minute time frame. I don't touch those. But them folks make money on them time frames. It's just too much for me. Just like you got people that would never touch the 5 minute. They want to touch the 30 in the hour chart. So it'd be so many people. Well, it'd be so much knowledge from different angles, which can help you form whatever angle that you try to get in. You know what I'm saying? But we just going sideways. Y'all. It's 11 o'clock. We don't get a trade by 12. We shutting it down because we got stuff to do today. Most likely I'm not gonna trade between 1 and 3. What day? Wednesday? Dang, tomorrow Thursday. I don't know if I'm going live tomorrow because I may jump back on the truck tomorrow and run. Get me a load, drop Friday, get a load Friday, come back, drop on Monday morning. Yeah, man, what's going on, man? Look, if we got EYs rejected, swept. We almost swept New York from yesterday. And I can't enter no trade, man, because it's just choppy. It's going just like this, man. Look, it's going just like this. You enter in on that, gonna take your head right off just like that. Gone. Dead it in the doorknob. Counts blown. And y'all like probably, I don't know how soon, right? My daughter, she 8, right? She gonna be on these lives with me. I'm gonna show her how to enter in trades and what we looking for. Yeah, that'll be dope. Father and daughter trade session live for the people. I'll let her do her thing. I just tell her what to do. Look, this is a swing high, this swing low, this is what we're looking for, blah, 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 blah. And if she can do it, I know y'all can do it. Y'all trading is freedom. Freedom. Y'all at 7 months. Oh, okay, we get a nice rejection. We get a nice rejection here. We just need to break here, close, and create the FEG I need so I can get in. This is Asia low. So that could be an entry point. Asia low. Mm, 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 mm. Yo, we just going sideways, y'all. But look, man, y'all got any questions, man? Just let me know, man. Let me know. Let me know. I answer whatever question I can while we just chilling. You feel me? We just chilling, waiting for the market to do what we needed to do. For those that just tuning in, I got clapped earlier right here on this trade. I jumped the gun. What I was supposed to do was wait for a structure to break the swing high or the swing low. I jumped the gun and just jumped in a trade, a sell trade off of this candle. And as you can see, I got stopped out right where my stop loss is at. It came back, tapped me, and reversed. Yep. And I honestly think my stop loss should have been up here. Was probably right above this hill right here, which would have been too much money for me, which means I would have sized down on my contracts. I would, instead of doing 2 contracts, I would have did 1. And I would have been in profit right now, just a little bit, because my entry was right here at the bottom of this purple box. And as y'all can see, I'm watching 2 charts at the same time. I'm watching MNQ and I'm watching MES. MES is the S&P 500. Well, like the same thing as the S&P 500, but on the future side. And MNQ is the NASDAQ, but the futures version. One leads the other. Sometimes NQ leads MES. Sometimes MES leads MNQ. And MNQ is more volatile than MES. Always. MES never is more volatile than MNQ. Because MNQ has the top 100 tech companies. MES has those companies plus 400 other ones. 400 other like regular companies. Something like that. Man, my face feels a little dry. Something. I get some coconut oil. Oh, you got SPX options? Yeah, man. Oh, you got SPX options? What you in on sales? I mean, puts. You gotta be on puts because we're not going up on S&P. Yeah, I'm gonna get back in options too. So I'm gonna be trading futures and I'm gonna start back trading options. Y'all gonna see both sides of the field. And shoot, probably me and Rich can jump on some lives and trade some options together. Now with options, I'm gonna do some leaps, but I'm also do some 0 DTE trade options trading. So we can probably show y'all some of that. Well, I can show y'all some of that. If other people want to join, it's cool. But I really want to just my life to be just trading, y'all. Get up, wherever, take the kids to school, do my like 2-3 mile run, come back, boom, shower. By that time it's about 9:30. Give me a little breakfast or some tea or something. Sit on the chart everything out, go live. Y'all, we make this money together. Thought about getting like a little Discord or something, but I gotta see because I don't even know how to work Discord. Oh yeah, Rachel said she'll do it. So once it probably won't be no time soon unless this pop firm money just start raining in. Start raining in 10 grand every 2 weeks or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So once I can start making some good money where I ain't gotta drive and I can be on this chart right here live with y'all. Yeah, man. Probably do like once a week, have somebody come on the live with me and we just trade. And after the trading session over, we go over our trades, see what we did wrong, What did we do right? Did we win? Did we lose? What we should have done versus what we did. And I think that'll help some traders. And if it don't, at least it'll help us. Like me, like I can sit here and be like, okay, on this trade, I see exactly where I went wrong. My rules specifically say, wait for us to break structure. Then you enter the trade. I didn't do that. So I can review this and see where I had went wrong. And if somebody else watching, y'all can see the same thing. Y'all can see how I do my setups, what I'm looking for on the chart. My strategy may work for you. It may not work for you. Rachel's strategy may work for you. You may want to be a scalper versus a trend trader. I don't know. Yeah, and drink some water. Drink some tea and some water. Yeah. Yeah, we just waiting until 11:10. Probably keep it going to about 11:50, 11:55. What did we do yesterday? Oh yeah, yesterday we had a, dang it. I keep on putting that on my chart. Yesterday we had a nice sell off yesterday. Nice sell off. This would have been a nice entry, but I wasn't looking at the chart. But this would have definitely been my first entry right here. Wait, no, it wouldn't because we would never broke a structure. So my yeah, I did right. So yesterday I did right yesterday because this here was a swing low. I waited till we broke structure to get ready to enter my trade. We just never went back up to my entry. So yesterday I did right. Followed my rules to the T. Today I slightly jumped the gun, which cost me a $567 loss on one of my accounts, and it would have caused me a $5,000 loss across 10 accounts. But for some reason, there's some hiccup going on with TradeSync where it didn't copy my accounts. And y'all see all them jokers was selected. Let me go and make sure we're good, man. Again, double check everything is active. Oh, yep, enable all. Everything is enabled. So we're gonna try it again once this trade presents itself. Oh shoot. We're gonna try to enter in another trade. Oh, let me see. I can't find it. Okay, here we go. Oh, y'all look, tell me how is the clarity? Like, tell me what I need to make better. You know what I'm saying? Y'all hear me good, or the mic too loud, mic too low, chart's not clear enough. Explain more in detail what you do. Like, let me know. I know we got a wild background, so you just excuse that. Let's just concentrate on the actual content being presented. What can I do better, or what should I, slow down on? Am I talking too fast, or is stuff just hitting just right? Let me know, man. Let me know what I can do. What is going on with the chart, bro? It's 11 o'clock, so I'm on lunch. But dang, we ain't doing nothing. Hmm. All right, cool. Sound perfect. Yeah, look, that's what I'm thinking. Because we in the accumulation phase on MEQ, but we slowly dropping on MES. So I think, like I say, we're in that tug of war phase where buyers and sellers are going at it, and somebody gonna eventually have more contracts than the other, and we gonna take off. And I'm gonna wait for the FEG to form. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Mm. All right, yeah. You gotta turn your phone so to get like the actual bigger view. Um, but like I noticed, like when I did the trade recap yesterday, like the separate video from the live, the system I used for the trade recap to me was clearer than the actual charts from the live. But maybe it's just my phone or whatever. I don't know. So after every live, I'm gonna do like a trade recap to really get down to the point versus just like having the live, because most people may not want to sit through the whole thing, or most people may want to see the whole setup. But for those that don't want to see the whole system, I'm gonna do trade recaps after every live to get down to the point so people can see what happened, what didn't happen, what should happen, and what the result was. But I definitely appreciate y'all for tuning into the live. All right, cool. Yeah, send me that. Let me see what that look like. See what that look like. Y'all can see me hanging around this FEG, man. Some liquidity in there. We still below my EMAs and SMA, which is give me the sign for sales. Well, I ain't gonna say give me a sign for sales. It tells me that bears are still controlling the market. I'm gonna say that bears still controlling the market. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm gonna go eat for brunch. For brunch. Dang, you pushing up. So yeah, I just started using the CBD like a month ago, and I like to use it because it tells me when there is a divergence in the market. I guess that's the right word. Is divergence the right word? Because if you look right, if you see how we created a low on the price chart, but we didn't create a low, which right here, which is the same bear candle on the volume chart, that tells me that there's a divergence in the market. And you see how we creating this high? We had this lower high here, and we just about to create a higher high, but it's not the same on the price chart. Divergence, in my opinion, that tells me that buyers are stepping in the market and it's putting a substantial amount of pressure. When, from saying this right, if the price chart is moving erratically, like we just shooting up, but CBD is not shooting up, that tells me that it's more of like a fake out. The volume is off. It's a fake out. It's not true volume. Just may not be that many sellers in the market at that time, which cause prices just boom. Eventually it'll start to return. What we gonna do? So yeah, if we break above this here swing high, this area here is a key level for me. Why is it a key level? It's the FEG that I priced out yesterday, and as you can see, price respected it. So if we push above it, push above it and close good, I'm expecting the price to respect it on the opposite side. We hit here, or may hit maybe the bottom, or may just sweep a little bit and push back up to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for. If we push above it, this is a key level for me to enter. The swing high is also a key level for me to enter. I don't too much pay attention to this yellow. That was from the one that's high from yesterday, which can also be a key level. And I would target, dang, I'm mouse tripping. Yeah, and I would target, I'll probably target up here. We gotta see. Hey, y'all, we chilling, man. It's 11:19, and we have not came outside of this consolidation, which is crazy work. Hmm, it's crazy work, y'all. Mm-hmm. Now we just consolidating, man. I'm gonna eat for breakfast. A slight push above the FEG I marked out earlier. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. We just going sideways, man. Don't look like we're gonna place another trade today so far. You're to like 11:50, so like 30 more minutes. See the actual move. We didn't even break the high or something low yet. Choppy market. Mm, 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 mm. For that is basically legalized gold and silver coins as legal currency starting July 1st. I'm not spending my precious silver. Yeah, we ain't got nothing. Nothing clear on MES as far as movement, and nothing clear on MNQ. Might even close down early, man, because ain't like the chart magician gonna show up in 30 minutes and just the market gonna start running. What do you think actually happened? Really wonder why Trade Sync didn't sync those accounts, but I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy though. We could have $5,000 off today. I didn't want that. Okay, Wednesday, so Thursday, another day, man. We may just go at it again Thursday. And we got FOMC meeting today at 2 o'clock. So yeah, I'm definitely not trading between 1 and 3 because we got the Fed chair meeting tonight today at 2 p.m. I'm not trading that. So once I close out this live, y'all, that'll be it for the day. I may watch the charts during FOMC meeting. Well, or I may watch the actual meeting. I like to hear what the folks talking about and related to how the charts move. But we'll see. I got a lot of work to do today. Yeah, yeah. I'll probably close it down early because I don't see nothing. It's already 11:30. Well, 11:24. Give it to 11:30 and we out. So far, yeah. So I'm going to do it. I'm gonna do a trade recap. So far, we took one loss today, $567 loss. Um, and that's it. That's it. And we still may even push down to this gap. It's just I don't understand why it's moving so slow. Like we got no sense of urgency. Over here, we had some urgency. We got no sense of urgency now. Yesterday we pushed good and we came back, retested my level I drew out. Let me see. I would have just say I would have traded. What time is it? Ooh, like 4 o'clock in the morning. I would have been at with two contracts. I would have been at $1,000 already, but right now I've been at like 700. But they ain't my time to trade. So, but I do like to look and see, like, dang man, my level was right. I wonder if I would have got in there, what would have happened? I do that sometime, but I'm definitely sticking to my session 10 a.m. to 2. Sorry, 10 a.m. to 12, 1 p.m. to 3. Yeah, y'all finna close it down a little. We not doing nothing. We're not doing nothing. And if you look at the CVD and the price action, we not even matching, bro. We way off on both charts. Way off. We might create a high on this CVD. We ain't even close to a high here. I want to feel on me. I'm hungry. Mm-mm-mm. Listen, man, I do appreciate y'all. Yeah. Asia was cool, but like, man, I'm telling you, like, I've seen traders strictly follow their rules. Like, no trade on Monday, no trade on Tuesday. Get in the trade on Wednesday. May lose like 3 grand, but follow their rules, but lose like 3 grand. Then Thursday they make 20,000. Like, gosh. But if they didn't follow their rules Monday and Tuesday, they could have been down crazy numbers. And so I just saw that. I'm like, man, lock these rules in, trade those specific rules. Because like I didn't trade Monday, I didn't trade Tuesday. Let's say this trade would have went my way. This would have been a $1,200 trade. Today, I would have been up 1,200 just for following my route. Well, let's say I did do what was right in the trade with my weight. You feel me? It could have been $1,200 a day, across 10 accounts, 12 grand. Boom, done. So that alone helped me create the discipline or the what's the word? Help me create the understanding that how important rules are. It's okay not to trade every day, especially if you got a strategy, a setup. There's a point in you trading outside of that strategy. You got the setup, you got the strategy, you got the strict rules. Follow the rules. It's gonna yield good fruit. Some fruit gonna be bad sometimes. Some days you still gonna lose because the market do what it does. But majority of the time, you gonna make that money, man. You gonna make that money. So, and like I say, I'm trying to have that freedom to where I'm only trading 2 hours a day and got 22 hours to do whatever I want. That kind of freedom. Catch a plane, get on a ship, and I can trade from anywhere. I ain't trying to be driving trucks forever. I already got 9 years of trucking experience, 5 years of running my company. It's time to do something else. Go put my daughter in gymnastics, cheerleading, whatever. I'm at every practice. I'm at every competition. I'm there. Not, You know what I'm saying? I can't take it to practice because I've got to move this load. Nah, them days over. Them days are over with. That's why I go so hard with this trading, man. All right, y'all. We at 11:29, man. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down because nothing's happening, man. This market is trash right now. Trash. Are we still in between the high from this morning? Like the high and the low. We still in between them. Like, good gracious. We're not doing nothing. So there'll be no more trades for me. So I took one trade, took a $567 loss. Thankfully on one account because it didn't copy trade. Um, yeah, man, that's it, man. Look, I definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in with me, y'all. This is new beginnings for me. I don't do all the live streaming and stuff, but I plan on making it more frequent. You know what I'm saying? When I'm home, get on the charts. If I can, live stream. It's always gonna be between 10 and 12. Because that's my trading times. And hopefully I can help somebody or somebody can help me or however it go. You know what I'm saying? We got to help one another. But yeah, y'all, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in with me. And we about to check out.